Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.